In this section, you'll be learning how to create a similar default stocks application using ChatGPT, SwiftUI, and also a backend. So you can see all of these stocks are listed over here. Great. And all of these stocks are actually coming from a JSON API that is also built using ChatGPT. So I'll show you that in a minute, but you can also look at the stories. And all these stories and the images are again coming from an API. And all of this is created using ChatGPT. I mean, all the spring effects, all the beautiful animation, everything. And we can also go ahead and change this to toggle appearance, and it looks amazing on the dark mode. And all of this is done by ChatGPT. All right. And let's go ahead and take a look at our very simple server implemented in Express.js. So here's our server. It's hosted on Glitch. You'll have all the code for it. And all of this code is also implemented by just prompting on ChatGPT. So this is all you'll be learning. It's going to be an exciting section. So buckle up and let's go ahead and get started.